Hey guys, Steve Maxwell again with Funtown RV. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Surveyor Legend 19 BHLE. Let's go take a look. Over here on the front tongue, we are going to have an electric tongue jack that is going to have lighting on it as well. Make it a little bit easier to hook up to the ball or unhook at night. You have a single tank propane tank right here. Going to give you a little bit of propane. You could upgrade to a 2 propane system if you wanted to. And you're going to have the back rack for your batteries right here, as well as your battery cutoff. Moving along the front, this does have a nice pass-through storage area with laminated flooring, and it does have a outdoor grill and table that can set up on the side over here. Still going to feature our Surveyor 12-volt electric awning. Going to be a nice feature to have, keep you out of the sun, keep you out of the rain. Does have auto dump for rain. Right here is going to be the mount for that grill and table, so you can have a little bit of cooking area outside without having a built-in outdoor kitchen. You are going to have your spray ports, cable outlets, and household plugs. Moving back a little bit further, the Surveyor is going to have your rear mounted spare tire with the cover, hard mounted RV ladder up here to do any maintenance or clean the roof. You are also going to have prep for the backup camera. Storage underneath the rear bunk, going to give you a little bit more cargo area. And you can see here we do have our large Swintech slide for the dining area. Right over here you can have the other side of the pass-through right next to our RV hot water heater. It is going to be gas and electric. Now that we've seen the outside of the Surveyor Legend, let's go ahead and take a step inside. Right inside the doorway of this Surveyor, you are going to have your control panel right here. It has all the controls for your interior lights, slides, and awning. Your switch for the wine guard mounted up top is going to be right above, and you have the controller for your solar panel already installed. Solar panel does need to be mounted aftermarket. Inside the living area of this Surveyor, you're going to have a nice east to west facing queen size bed. It is going to have storage up by the headboard as well as cup holders up top. The household 110 plug, bungee cord area up here that is going to be for storage. You can put all your clothes, any other equipment you need up there. Behind me, we are going to have an RV rated TV. It's going to be already mounted, already hooked up to your antenna, ready to go. Parallel dinette for the Surveyor. This does also turn into an extra sleeping area and offer extra storage. The kitchen in the Surveyor is going to be very minimalist, but it's going to be offering you a little bit of everything you need. You do have a deep basin stainless steel sink with your 2-burner Suburban stove. Underneath, you are going to have a microwave down low in place of the oven with some storage, an additional amount of counter space. Up top in the kitchen of the Surveyor, you are going to have 2 cabinets that do have these nice glass doors. They do raise up with their own struts. And to the right, we are going to have our RV fridge. Going to give you plenty of storage for all of your food on your journey. And right behind me, this is going to be what makes it a bunkhouse. You do have your 2 single bunks, one on top, one below, with the teddy bear mattresses on them. And your AC is going to be mounted right here. It will control your 1 AC up top. Keep it nice and cool in this Texas summer. And behind me, we're going to have the bathroom. Let's go take a look at that. The bathroom in the Surveyor is going to be very minimalist, but everything is in its place and does have a purpose. You do have a good size stand-up shower in there with a retractable door. You do have your RV toilet right next to the sink and countertop with your vanity and medicine cabinet. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Again, my name is Stephen Maxwell, and this is it for the Surveyor Legend. If y'all have any other RVs y'all want to see, please comment below. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and the fun starts here.